Hello, everybody. My name is Sarah Houston, and I will be talking about how being healthy helps us be happy. And that is the topic for today. I decided to do it on this because for me, I have always been a very active person. I love to be outside. I was a 3-sport athlete in high school. In college, I played volleyball in college and was always in the gym, and then I got married and we tried to continue to go to the gym. Diet was really never an issue. I've always had a pretty fast metabolism, and so I never really had to focus on my diet. Also because I was so active, it was never really an issue. And then 2 years ago, I had my first baby. And we actually lost the baby, and that's when I really started to gain weight. I had stopped exercising, and I think I kind of ate my feelings in pizza and ice cream a little bit, and I wasn't so focused on being the active person that I used to be. So I ended up gaining, I think it was about 20 pounds, and I was the heaviest I had ever been. I wasn't happy. I was always tired. I was irritable, especially with my husband at the time. And I just was not happy. And that's when I kind of had to self-reflect a little bit and decided that I need a change. And my husband and I sat down and we just started talking and said, you know what, the only way that we're going to get to where we want to go is if we put in the effort and if we focus on our diet and start exercising again. And that's kind of what I want to share with everybody now is my experience and kind of how I got there. So the diet part of this is probably the most important. Everybody's heard the phrase abs are made in the kitchen, and it's true. Diet is 80% and exercise is 20, unless you're one of those lucky people who can eat whatever they want. But if you are in a position where you are just not happy with yourself, happy with the way you feel, with the way you look, and you know that you need to change, please, please, please let me help you, because I was in the same exact spot and I know exactly how you're feeling. And I want to help. I want you to be happy. I want people to share in my happiness, because it really is the only way. If you feel good about yourself and you have energy and you want to continue what you're doing, then everything else just kind of falls into place. You're able to help others more. You're able to stay on top of family issues, help your husband, help your kids. It's just so much easier and a way better way to live, honestly. So, I am a 1st Phorm ambassador. You can head over to their website if you have any questions. I use their supplements, their protein bars, their meal replacements, stuff like that. So if you have any questions, head over to their website, firstphorm.com. And then to sign up for my free course, it's actually just email me, sarahchouston@gmail.com, and we can set up a time to meet and then start training. So I look forward to hearing from everybody.